Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix no sound plays after you connect your headphones with a phone. So firstly, it can be a problem with audio player, so just remove it from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fix your problem. Also, I recommended to go open the application and check if you have the last software version. If you haven't it, just update it to the last one. It can help if you restart your phone or your tablet if you use it. And the last one, what we can do is perform a hard reset. So open settings, Bluetooth, and after that put your earbuds to the charging case and press and hold this connection button until you can see 3 slow flashes here. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and we should remove it from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And now we can see it at the device list, so just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!